Hey everyone, just wanted to make a video here for you, just kind of going over uh, the latest information from Air McCall. Um, we do offer professional heating, repair, service, and installation. A lot of times people are really focused on the air conditioning side of things in Florida, but we don't only work on air conditioning units. The temperatures may not dip to below freezing, but furnaces are still a must-have, even in the temperate climate here in Jacksonville. Our professional service representatives are fully experienced in the maintenance, repair, and replacement of heating systems, just as much as we are in the cooling systems. Maintenance for your furnace is imperative to maximize the life of the unit and the efficiency. Um, that to make sure that it really can put out the energy that it needs. We'll care for the heat source in your home or business to ensure years of comfort with our gold standard maintenance. If problems arise, repairs can be costly, but our licensed technicians can quickly diagnose any problems in the operation of your furnace and are fully trained to repair your system when needed, extending the useful life of these very important appliances. And because repairs are not always needed at opportune times, we have emergency services available whenever the need arises. And finally, if your system has reached its end of life, we can help you find the most efficient, cost effective replacement for your unique needs. We have the experience and expertise to install it so you can return to what matters most to you. If a new system is the best fit for you, take a look at some of the many features that we have available. We can do the free estimates. Um, we are 8-time President's Award recipient from Carrier, and we offer the latest in programmable thermostats. We fully explain your warranty. We review the furnace price as well as installation costs up front, so there aren't any surprises. And with the cost of heating rising and the need for clean, efficient energy at an all time high, when 60% of all heating systems are improperly installed, and when 50% of all service calls on newer systems stem from poor installation, don't leave yours to chance. Call the experts at AirMcCall today for all your heating needs. We'll care for your furnace from installation through maintenance and repair as if it were our own home. So call today on 904 274 5714. And we appreciate the time and have a great day.